exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we're going on Test Track. It's one of those Chevrolet, you can create your car and then test it on the track. Gonna look kind of fun. Alright, here we are on board the Test Track.
The seatbelt check is around the corner. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please supervise children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los niños.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Track.
And there we go. Up that hill. Into the black lights we go.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connecting to OnStar.
Hi, OnStar.
SimCar performance data acquired.
Whoa, we're gonna accelerate. Whoa.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SimCar off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Wow.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SimCar for optimal eco efficiency.
Oh no, we're scanning. We're getting scanned.
Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Tight turn.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
Oh, we're turning the curve. Whoa. Turn right to go left.
Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Capability, efficiency.
Here comes the final test.
Oh, well, here we go.
Energizing for power test.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me go out into this. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. I see the balloon up in Disney Springs. Whoa. Here we go. A tight turn. Woo. Whoa. And we're gonna go full circle around the building. Oh, we're going 50 miles an hour. It's gonna be, I can, whoa, let's run the building. Woo! Whoa, holy crap, these are serious, and we're slowing down. Whoa. Oh my god, that was awesome. Back into the building we go.
Displaying
We got
power
first
test
now.
results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare with the SimCar after you disembark. Watch your step as you exit. And remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be
Alright,
sure to check your final performance numbers in our scoring area.
that's gonna do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for running up. See you later.
Get out of here, one more.
I'll do it in the future.